Anxiety feels like sometimes my chest feels tight. Heart beats fast at night. Mind runs, won't slow down. Thoughts spin round and round. I'm safe but feeling harm. That feeling has a name. Anxiety's its flame.
It talks real loud, but it tells no truth. It feels so big, but it passes through. Don't be afraid of your mind, my friend. It's just your body on high defense. Breathing in slow, let fear unwind. You're okay, you're okay. Don't be afraid of your mind. Oh, don't be afraid of your mind. Oh.
Thoughts say, what if I fall? What if I fail? What if I stall? Future fears knocking my door. Anxiety wants more and more. It shows pictures that aren't real. Makes me doubt what I feel. The thoughts are clouds, not snow. They pass and I'm alone. It feels like truth, but it's just fear. Let it talk, don't let it steer. Don't be afraid of your mind, my friend. It's just your body on high defense. Breathing in slow, let fear unwind. You're okay, you're okay. Don't be afraid of your mind. Shaky hands, sweaty skin, butterflies deep within. Fast breath, dizzy head. Too much worry being fed. Your body thinks you're in a fight, even when you're safe at night. It's not weak, it's just confused, trying hard to protect you.
Slow your breath, count to 4. Feel your feet touch the floor. Name 5 things that you see. That's your mind coming free. Talk it out, don't hide away. Fear gets small when words can play. Ask for help, but being strong. You are brave all alone. Be afraid of your mind, my friend. This feeling always has an end. Storms may come, but skies realign. You're okay, you're okay. Don't be afraid of you're okay, you're okay. Don't be afraid of your mind. Oh, don't be afraid of your mind. Oh, anxiety's loud, but it's not the boss. You are safe, you are not lost.